Graph each inequality and write the solution set using both set builder and interval notations. We have the inequality negative 2 times 3x minus 1 minus 5 is greater than or equal to 6x minus 4 times 3 minus x. This looks pretty complicated, but we'll simplify step by step till we have x on one side of the inequality symbol. So let's start by multiplying. We multiply negative 2 times 3x, and we get negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 1 gives us plus 2. Minus 5 is greater than or equal to 6x minus 4 times 3 would be minus 12. Negative 4 times the opposite of x would give us plus 4x. Now we can combine some like terms on either side of the inequality. We would have negative 6x plus 2 minus 5 gives us minus 3 is greater than or equal to. Now here we have a 6x and a 4x. So I can make that 10x minus 12. Now we want to add 3 to both sides of the inequality. And we have then negative 6x is greater than or equal to 10x. This was minus 12 plus 3, so we have minus 9. We're almost there. Let's subtract 10x from both sides of the inequality. And we have negative 16x is greater than or equal to negative 9. As a last step for isolating x, we're going to divide both sides of the inequality by negative 16. Now when we divide or multiply by a negative number, the direction of the inequality symbol has to change. Nothing else we've done so far affects that, just multiplying and dividing by a negative number. When we divide this by negative 16, we get x. We're dividing by a negative number, so we reverse the direction of the inequality. When we divide negative 9 by negative 16, we get 9/16. So we have solutions, all x, that are less than or equal to 9/16. On a number line, that would look like marking off 9/16. We use a bracket at 9/16 to indicate that we're including 9/16, and we shade all of the number line that's less than 9/16. Using set builder notation, our solution set is the set of all x such that x is less than or equal to 9/16. Or, using interval notation, we write the interval from negative infinity to 9/16, and we include 9/16.